We will give the proof for proposition 3.8. Given any omega belongs to R cube and R belongs to SO3 rotation matrix, the following always holds: R into skew symmetric matrix of omega into R transpose equal to R omega skew symmetric matrix. Proof. Suppose R, this one R11, R12, R13, R21, R22, R23, R31, R32, R33. Skew symmetric matrix of omega is 0, minus omega 3, omega 2. According definition, omega 3 0 minus omega 1, minus omega 2, omega 1 0. And R transpose. So all row and column are interchanged. So R11, R12, R13. This one R21, R22, R23, R31, R32, R33. This is a long calculation. So we are changing symbols. This one, initially we have taken R1 is this one, column vector, R2 is this one, and R3 is this one. But now we are taking this one as R1, this one as R2, this one as R3. Similarly, this one is R1, this one is R2. So we are changing symbols to make calculation easy. This one is as it is, and we are multiplying this and this. We will get this long calculation. You can check this one and this one. This one is first row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Similarly, this one, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, this. Now we have taken this one as R1, this one as R2, this one as R3. So this one is R1, this one is R2, this one is R3. Here, this one into this one is this. This one into this one is this. And this one into this one is this. So it is actually this one. Omega cross R1, this one. So, and this one is omega cross R1. This one is omega cross R2, and this one is omega cross R3. So this one is R1 transpose into omega cross R1. Here R1 transpose into this one omega cross R2. R1 transpose into omega cross R3. R2 transpose omega cross R1 similarly. R2 transpose into omega cross R2. R2 transpose into omega cross R3. R3 transpose into omega cross R1. R2 transpose into omega cross R3. R3 transpose into omega cross R3. This one. Here R1 is R11, R12, R13. This way. R1 is R11, R12, R13. This is column matrix. Similarly, R2. This one is R3. We have changed the symbol. Now, one of the entry, say this one, I have solved here. So R1 transpose into omega cross R2. This one. So R11 omega cross R2 is this one. So minus omega 3 R22, omega 2 R23 plus R12 into this. Omega 3 R21 minus omega 1 R23 plus R13 into this. Separating and then after collecting omega 1, omega 2, omega 3. We have R13, R22 minus R12, R23, omega 1. This one into omega 2. This one into omega 3. Now this one of the IJK R11, R21, R31, R12, R22, R33. This vector and this vector. If you consider this vector cross this vector, we get this. So we have taken R13, R23, R33. If you multiply it, we get this result. If you multiply it, cross product, taking cross product, we get this result. And this equal to this. So this equal to this one equal to this one equal to this. Similarly, this cross this equal to this one. This one cross this one equal to this. Orthogonal vectors. So we have these observe this. You can verify yourself. And if we take cross product of this one cross this one equal to this one cross this one equal to this one. So we get this. Comparing this one is R31. Comparing this one is R32. And here, this one is R33. See here, R11, R22 minus R12, R21. They are opposite from this. So this one is replaced by R33, minus R33. This one is replaced by minus R32. See here. And this one is replaced by minus R31. So R1 transpose into omega cross R2 is minus R31 omega 1, minus R32 omega 2, minus R33 omega 3, minus common R31 plus R32 plus R33 omega 3. According to our new notation, this one is R3, new notation. So minus R3 transpose into omega. Similarly, for this, omega cross R1 into R1 transpose, they are perpendicular. So this 0 and this 0. So this. The rest term as it is. Here, R1 transpose cross into omega cross R2. We have obtained this one, minus R3 transpose omega. Similarly, we can replace this R2 transpose omega. It's a long calculation. Similarly, for this R3 transpose omega, 0 minus R1 transpose omega. This one is minus R2 transpose omega, and this one is R1 transpose omega and 0. Now here. Now R omega. R is this as it is. Original rotation matrix. Omega is omega 1, omega 2, omega 3. So it is this one into this one. So R1 transpose omega. This one into this one. R2 transpose omega. This one into this one. R3 transpose omega. Now we are taking for this matrices skew symmetric matrix. So according to definition, 0 minus of this one. Then after R3 transpose omega, 0 minus R1 transpose omega, minus R2 transpose omega, R1 transpose omega, 0. It is. So this result, this and this, it is stands for R omega R this one. So R omega into R transpose. We have obtained this result same. And here R omega transpose is this also skew symmetric matrix. So we have proved R skew symmetric omega into R transpose equal to R omega skew symmetric. We will use this result often and often in modern robotics.